everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. So as you've seen, I just did a quick install of this wig while I have my little glue drying. We have the edges just drying. I'm going to give you guys the specs on this hair really quick. So I'm not going to butcher this company's name, even though this is my second time working with them. I don't want to butcher it, so I'm just going to write it right here on the screen. And this is their 32-inch square knotless, square parted knotless boho lock wig. Now, if this name or maybe my face is familiar, I did do a review for them on their 36-inch butterfly braided wig, and y'all, I love that wig. I still have it. I wore the heck out of that wig too, but I still have it right here. It's still looking really, really good. And one of the clips you saw that I had cut the lace out on here. This is double laced. This unit is double laced. And on this unit, when I first did the video, I didn't cut this out, but as I was wearing it, I did eventually cut out just the front lace part of this wig, and it just made it look a little more natural, laid a little more flat with my complexion. It kind of just melted the lace a little more into my skin. So I just went on ahead and did it on this one. So I guess essentially you really don't know what it looks like out the box, you know, like right out the packaging, because I did cut that double lace off. But that's just from my previous experience with another one of their units. But yeah, she's still holding up really, really good. And y'all, I love this wig. Like, I love this wig. So I'm very excited to give this one a go and try this one out. Now, as I stated before, this is 32 inches. That one is 36 inches. This one is 32 inches. This one, yes, the boho lock. So like faux locks. I did do a lot of close-ups, so you already know what it's looking like. Y'all, I do have some concerns with this particular unit. And my concerns that I'm going to make a mental note of as I wear this one is if this gets tangled, because this is curly. Like, the ends of this is curly. They're curly. They're not locked all the way down to the ends. The ends are just curly at the ends. And they also have, you know, the boho pieces coming out of each individual lock. So you have your locks, and then you have the boho piece that's out too. By this being synthetic hair, my concern would be just tangledness or knots, you know. So yeah, that is something that I'm going to monitor with this one. I think with this particular unit, I'm gonna do an update probably like after a month of me wearing it. I'm going to do an update and just let you guys know if I did experience that. In my head, because I'm already on the fence with this, I'm already thinking that I might go through, if I experience like severe tangling, I might go through and cut these pieces off because they look cuttable. Like, it looks like I can just cut that off, and then I'll just have just the faux lock, you know, and then I'll just be concerned about this piece down here. Yeah, so in my head, I'm already thinking if the worst gets to the worst and the unit itself is still holding up, but I'm just having tangling issues, that I'm either going to go through and snip off that boho piece. Or I did do some reading, and people were saying that you can use fabric softener and water mixed inside of a spray bottle, and mix some fabric softener with the water, and you can spray your synthetic hair, and it's supposed to like bring it like back to life, keep it soft, detangle whatever is tangled. So I did get this just in case if I need it, and I just picked this up right at Dollar Tree. But this is fabric softener, and then a spray bottle with water. I got the spray bottle at Dollar Tree too. So I do have that just in case if I'm going to need it. But if I do end up doing either one of those two things, I'm going to make mention of that in my follow-up video. Now, this is an Amazon wig unit. So if you have Prime, you're going to get this in 2 days, 2 days with Prime, with free shipping in 2 days. Y'all, this company, like, I'm like really feeling it, and y'all was really feeling that last wig, the braided boho one. So, you know, thanks to you guys, I'm able to, you know, review for them again. But yeah, a lot of you did purchase this unit, and I hope that you had a good experience like I did with this one. Y'all, I've had this one now for, let me see, almost 4 months, and I mean, she's holding up so good. Like, she's just doing so good. Like, this is definitely going to be my go-to over the summer. Y'all, these braided wigs, I'm falling in love with them because it's saving time. I don't have time to sit in the braiding shop no more. Like, I have a 6-month-old, and I don't have 6 hours to spare like that. And if I do got 6 hours, I'm not about to spend it with them getting my hair braided. So doing this, wearing these wigs with a look that you will go and pay hundreds of dollars for, I mean, this is time saving, it's money saving, it's a healthy way for your hair to have the looks that you desire without stressing your natural hair out. I'm still postpartum, and my hair this time around with my last baby, oh my god, it really like took me through. So me still being able to get the look without the stress, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. And the little trick I just learned with these is when you buying the double laced wigs, like if you buy from this company and they're double laced, if you just want a more natural look, just cut out the front part of that double lace. Like, as you can see in this one, like, I still left it in the back, and I left it in the back on this one too. But you could just cut these out, and I mean, girl, yes. And you can always do like scarves, because these are still braids, you know, so you still can style these as you would if they were braided into your natural hair. So I'm loving these, and so far, y'all, I am really loving just the longevity that this particular unit from this company, the longevity that it held up to. Now, I can't say all these units are made the same. I'm speaking for this particular company. This braid is 4 months old. This braided wig is 4 months old, and it still is just holding up so good. It's still holding up so good. So I do have high hopes for the Locs. And like I said, I did name my 2 cons that I'm gonna watch out for, but I already have, you know, some solutions in place in case I do need to go that route. Okay, y'all, so that's long enough for this. So I'm about to take this off. I don't have any combs in. I didn't use that adjustable strap. I used that adjustable band. This band that's in the inside of here, I put it on the tightest, and yeah, that was good enough for my hair. This is definitely big hair friendly. Just a little tip, just in case your hair is a little on the larger side, this is definitely still made for you. I did not glue down my back. Oh, I had to tie it a little tight. Oh, that hurt. Yeah, so let's see what this is hitting for. So this is how this is looking. I am going to touch up my edges just a little bit. I'm going to go back in with a smaller, I'm going to just use a eyeshadow brush, a little fluffy eyeshadow. No, actually, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush to just go back through with my, my powder. And just kind of camouflage this just a little more. Now, I'm looking through a viewfinder, so I'm not quite sure how this is looking on camera. I'm gonna see more like when I edit. So I'm gonna just go through and do this, because y'all, I'm chocolate, so you know, all that light white, that's not gonna blend over here. That's not gonna work this way. So I'm just gonna touch this up. And y'all, I mean, I know some people probably like, oh, I could never do those braided wigs. Like, I just would never, you know, but you just kind of gotta play with them. I've yet to see one that I feel like you could just wear straight out the box. You do kind of gotta do just like a little bit of tweaking, but it's nothing beyond nobody's basic skill set, you know. Like, you don't have to be a wig slayer to get this to you know, look presentable. So I'm just going to the base of my parts just to kind of fade out my parts just a little bit. And I'm just doing some tips and tricks that I did with, you know, my other one. Yeah. So I am not gonna hard press these baby hairs. I kind of like the fluffy look with this particular unit because, you know, this is like that boho look. So I'm not, you know, totally against the little fluffy baby hairs. So I'm just going to use my finger and curl these up. And they give you plenty to work with. Like, you got plenty. It's plenty hair. Let's kind of play in this a little bit.
Mommy. Mommy. Hey, Mom.
More juice? No more juice.
He over there. Mommy. No, he over there.
No more juice. Okay, so this is a look. You could do like the half up, half down.
Mommy. That's big. Mommy. Oh, yeah. He hurt me. Mommy. Mommy. Oh, yeah, he got me. Oh, yeah,
Go wash your hands. Go downstairs in the bathroom and wash your hands.
Mommy. Mommy, they got me on me.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Sure what this nape look like, but I'm gonna just show you this real quick. So you might can't get away with this, you might can. I don't know if that's too harsh looking, but you definitely can drop some of these down and maybe have like just your back row hanging to cover that up if that's looking a mess. I'll see when I'm editing. But yes, you guys, so definitely a look. You definitely can take the charms that they gave you and clip them onto here. They give you a nice amount, so you definitely can clip those on there just to add some hair jewelry. You guys, please check out, like I said, this is my second unit from them, and yeah, I just really feel like they're worth the money. They're very affordable. Amazon 2-day shipping. Yeah, you could get the look without the stress on your natural hair. You could get the look without the cost. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Bye.